Today we talk about how can you transfer on your Olymptrade app. We go to figure out the solution or know how you can do that on your app. So you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. All you have to do in first, so you just go here, you go above this sign, click on it here. So then it's going to show for you a list like this here. It's going to show for you like this. Then you click here on internet transfer, you just click on it here. Then you come to next step here, it's going to show for you here. So you just switch into open video like this, and here you add, so you select here if you want to add USD account or USDT account. So then you click here on select the account here, you select it, you add your account. So when you fold your account here, and automatically here it's going to transfer with you on your app. So that's all. Thank you for watching. So my account is not verified, but if you have it, can you it's going to transfer with you automatically. That's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.